Hi, today I'm going to show you how to print a Nozzle Check test pattern on a Canon MG5650 inkjet printer. Now this can be done from the machine itself using buttons on the front. So from the home screen here, we're going to need to navigate down twice using the up and down buttons until we see the setup option. So we press the button underneath setup to go in, and then we're presented with maintenance, which is where we need to go. So we press OK to go in there. We get a whole host of different options here, and the one we want is the very first one, print nozzle check pattern. So we press OK, then you confirm, and away we go. Now this will take a couple minutes, and eventually you'll end up with a nozzle check test pattern like this. It breaks down all of the colours produced by your printer, and it allows you to easily identify any stripes that you may find in there that may be causing a downturn in print quality. As you can see here, black portion of the print head is giving out some quite fuzzy print, so I'm probably going to do an alignment to sort that out rather than further cleaning. But if you do need cleaning from your printer, it does have the ability to do cleaning cycles and even deep cleaning, so check out our videos for that. In fact, you can jump immediately into doing cleaning cycles from the printer itself. And as you can see, you get some questions on screen which you can follow through, and depending upon the answers given, if your printer deems it necessary, it'll offer you the ability to do a clean. Otherwise, I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Take care.